Industrial Specialties is a worldwide distributor of fluid handling products. We're really a one-stop shop for fittings of all types. Industrial Specialties Manufacturing has about 70,000 products online. We've been using the Profit 21 platform for 10 years. We're very pleased with our Profit 21 system because it really is the engine that makes our company work from an ERP standpoint. Epicor Commerce Connect really came across our table at a very opportune moment. We were looking at going to an e-commerce platform, and I felt that Magento provided the best platform for e-commerce functionality. So when we found that Epicor had the ECC platform, we were thrilled. The software works great, and it's tightly integrated with our Profit 21 system, which is critical.
Since we launched our redesigned website beginning of October, end of September of 2016, our website traffic year over year was up nearly 60%. Organic traffic through Google and Bing were up nearly 130% year over year. So having a very well-organized catalog, e-commerce backend has certainly contributed quite a bit to that growth.
The very simple element of e-commerce is ordering a product. Well, you need to have quantity available and you need to have a price. You need to be able to handle credit cards, etc. ECC does a very good job of those fundamentals. That's blocking and tackling. The other side of e-commerce is really the customer service, and we call it a customer self-service portal. And with ECC, our customers are able to log in, check their account balances, download their invoices, reorder an old order, check on their order status, click on the shipping information and see when the product will get there.
It's an easy access for them to get information rather than calling into the office and taking up time with the salesperson. It's an extremely valuable tool in eliminating a lot of those calls, which relieves the sales team and gives them more time to produce sales.
We've been very fortunate at Industrial Specialties Manufacturing to experience consistent double-digit growth. We believe that the Epicor Commerce Connect software is an integral part of that growth because it's our digital face to the world. So we rely on Epicor to continue to develop the software that we need to be a successful distributor.